topic is list. So we are going to learn about the list. All about lists in Python. A list in Python is a collection of items that is ordered, mutable, and allows duplicate elements. Lists are one of the most versatile and commonly used data structure in Python. What is a list? A list is a collection of items enclosed in square brackets. Items in a list can be of any data type, integer, float, string, or even other list as well. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, suppose mixed 1, hello, 3.1, 4, 2, for an example, these are the things. Characteristic of list: ordered. Items have a defined order and can be accessed using their index number. Mutable, you can change, add, or remove items after the list is created. Duplicates allowed. List can contain duplicates values. Creating a list: empty list, list with elements. These are the examples. You can just try by your own self. Accessing list elements by index. Use the index to access specific elements. Indexing start at 0. Fruits: apple, banana, cherry. So print fruits, index 0. The output should be apple. Okay. Negative indexing. Negative indices allow you to access element from the end of the list. Print fruits -1. It's from the negative side, output cherry. Slicing a list. Retrieving a portion of the list using slicing. Syntax: list, start, and step. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print numbers. 1 is the starting position and 4 is the ending. So in between there are 3 values: 1, 2, 3. Okay. So for the list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is the 0 index, 1 is 1 index, 2 is 2 index, 3 is 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5 index. Okay. So value should be like 1, 2, 3 only. 4 is not included because it is an ending stage. Print next example, print numbers underscore 3. So ending is 3. So we are going to conclude 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. If the number is like print numbers colon 2, then after 0 to 4, 2 is the steps, as already mentioned in syntax, like start and steps. So 2 is the steps here. Modifying list: changing elements. Fruits: apple, banana, cherry. Fruits 1 index, blueberry. So we are going to change 0, 1 banana into blueberry. So apple, a blueberry, cherry. Okay, this is modification. Adding elements using append. Add an items to the end of the list. Fruits dot append orange. Using insert, add an item at specified index. Fruit dot insert 1 grab. Using extend, add multiple item to the list. Fruits dot extend this particular thing. So here is the basic difference using append, insert, and extend. These are the functions we use for the adding elements in the list. So there are basic difference like append and add elements in the end of the list, insert in specific indexing number, and extend is like multiple elements in the list. Removing elements. Using remove, removes the first occurrence of a value. Fruits dot remove, okay, banana. Using pop, removes an item by index. Default is the last item. Default is the last item, but we can pop by using indexing number. Using del, deletes an item or the entire list. Okay. Using clearly, empties the list. Clear, just use clear. So here is the common list methods: dot append, dot extend, dot insert, dot remove, dot pop, dot index, dot count, dot sort, dot reverse as well. These are the common list methods. Iterating through a list. Use loops to traverse and manipulate lists. Using for loop. 4 fruits in fruit. 4 fruit in fruits. Print fruit. Using while loop. I is equal to 0. While I length fruits. Print fruits I. This using nested list. List can contain other lists, creating nested structure. Matrix like 1, 2, 3 in another list, another list. Okay, this is kind of matrix. List comprehension. A concise way to create list. Example, square is equal to x multiply 2 for the x in range 5. Exponent. Print sequences, output 0 1 4 2 6, so on. Important note: lists are mutable, changes are reflected in the original list. Be cautioned when copying lists. Use dot copy or list, or allow shallow copy, because when you change anything in the list, because it is a mutable, so it reflect on the original list. So when you wanted to just copy, use dot copy or use shallow copies. Lists in Python are incredible, versatile, and form the backbone of many applications. With their extensive methods and flexibility, they are a vital tool for a programmer. Let me know if you like to. Okay.